Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm here with Alexis Sanderson. She is 9 years old, holy moly. She has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. She has an adorable smile. She can sit by herself independently. She can crawl with more weight on her legs than her arms. She can walk with 2 hands held or trunk support. She can walk in a walker but needs help to steer. And to work on standing balance, one of the things we do is stand with her back on a wall. Are you ready to show us what you got? Okay, ready? So you stand her with her feet wide and reasonably close to the wall. You're ready? What do you see? And she can stay standing. Hi, little sweet pea, with her back. That is so. Leave the picture. Oh boy, leave the picture alone. Oh no. So this is one of the ways we'll work on standing balance. Sometimes I get flashlights and she likes shining the flashlight. Nice job. Whoop, 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 whoop. We'll do the walking. That's the next video. So it's an easy way to work on standing balance with just the right kid with the right level of skills. Hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.